Here we have application for this device. From here we can turn on and off the indicators down here. This is for wireless charging, this is for Type-C, and this is also for Type-C. Type-C is connected here. Here we can adjust the power of charging. There is a timer in green. This is 10 watt, this is 15, this is 5 watt. It will take more time to charge for the wireless one. Here we can control the current in different ports. That's it. This is Remeta.